Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Folding your Eddie Bauer rain jacket into its own pocket is a great space saver for any traveler. It makes packing for your next big hike or camping trip much easier and more efficient. First, you must find the specific pocket on your garment. It is usually the left-hand pocket when you are wearing the item. Look for a double-sided zipper or a specific logo that says stowaway or packable. Lay the jacket completely flat on a hard surface like a table. Zip up the main front zipper all the way to the top. Turn the jacket over so the back side is facing you. Fold the sleeves inward toward the center of the back. Fold the sides of the jacket in by about 3 or 4 inches on each side. This creates a long, narrow rectangle that is the width of the pocket. Start from the bottom of the jacket and roll the fabric very tightly toward the hood. Alternatively, you can simply fold the material in thirds if rolling is difficult. Reach into the designated pocket and turn the fabric inside out. Push the rolled jacket firmly into the pocket opening. Keep stuffing the material until the entire jacket is tucked inside the pouch. Pull the reversible zipper shut to secure everything. Now your jacket is a small, compact pouch. It fits perfectly in your backpack. It even has a fabric loop for a carabiner clip. This technique keeps your gear organized and saves room. It also prevents the fabric from getting deep wrinkles. You are now ready for your next outdoor adventure.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.